how to buy liquid launch token. So this token came under the symbol of LIQD. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, as you can see, before going and buy this token, make sure to check the Rex account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on Tick Screener. So to be able to buy this token, just copy the token address from here. Now, as you can see, but before that, or the best way to buy this token, just click on Trade Liquid, as you can see. So click here to expand this window, and you will be able to relax it to Hyperliquid exchange platform. What you need to do is just connect your wallet for that, and now click on buy, and here just type how much you want or set how much you want to buy with that token. Here you will be able to see how much you will be paid. So after that, click on enable trading and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy LIQD token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.